Hey, welcome everyone, welcome the world, welcome YouTube, welcome internet. It's me again, Balix from the Digital Preneurs Corner. So today we are going to look at how to remove a website from your Elementor subscription. So sometimes you have websites that you've already designed and you finished adding your Elementor Pro. They are in your Elementor Pro account. However, maybe the owner stops paying for domain hosting, or that website is no longer relevant and the owner has moved on from that project. So sometimes when you're unable to access let us say the WordPress dashboard to deactivate the Elementor account from there, the Elementor Pro account from there, it is possible for you to deactivate it from your Elementor dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. So you will see that when you enter your Elementor dashboard, this is what you have available for you. As of now, I have 3 websites in this Elementor account. However, when you click here, it does not give you the option of removing this website from this Elementor Pro account. So what you have to do is go to your subscriptions. Right now we were under websites. Okay, so if you go to your subscriptions, you will see it will show you what you how much you're paying for. Okay, then click on the 3 site activations right there, and then it will show you the websites which are registered on this Elementor Pro account, and then all you have to do is just click deactivate. Okay, so let us in this example, let us deactivate this website. I'll go back and reactivate it. So just say deactivate that site. Now this will not affect the website's functionality in case the website is still available. So that website I've just deactivated. Let me show you how it looks like even after deactivating the Elementor Pro. Okay, so when you come to the front end of the website, it's still fine. All its features are still functional. As you can see, the animated titles still work. These are pro features. But they are still active on the website even after I've deleted it from my Elementor dashboard. Okay, so basically that is it. In case you have any other questions with regards to Elementor Pro, please feel free to post your questions in the comment section below. And as usual, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel and share it with friends who you think can benefit from these videos at Digital Preneurs. Until next time, it's Balix Hassan saying hasta la vista.